Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to In Cake and Cookies. Today we are making something cool, creamy and bursting with coffee flavor, coffee pudding dessert. It's the perfect treat for coffee lovers and yes, it's super easy to make at home. This dessert gives you that caffeine kick without turning on the oven. Let's get started. In a pan, pour 2 cups of water. Add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon agar powder, and 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix well and cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Did you know coffee was once used as a food, not just a drink? Tribes in Africa used to mix it with fat. Agar is a plant-based gelatin, perfect for vegetarians. Let it shimmer until the agar completely dissolves. Always dissolve agar completely for a smooth texture. Once done, pour this mixture into a mold. Cool it down and refrigerate for 30 minutes. This will become your coffee jelly layer. Now let's prepare the creamy coffee layer. In another pan, take 2 cups milk, add 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoon agar powder, This pudding can be made in advance and served cold, and 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix well and cook on medium heat until it comes to a gentle boil. Instant coffee works best for a deep and even flavor. Keep stirring until the agar fully dissolves. Let the mixture cool down for 5 minutes. Now take out our coffee jelly, cut into cubes. Coffee contains antioxidants that may improve brain function and mood. Agar aids digestion and is low in calories. Milk provides calcium and protein, making this dessert more than just a treat. And pour half into your mold. Gently pour the coffee milk mixture over it. And then add the remaining jelly cubes on top. Let each layer cool slightly before pouring the next. It prevents mixing. Place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Once set, you will have a wobbly, creamy and delicious coffee pudding ready to enjoy. And that's it, our easy and elegant coffee pudding dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to In Cake and Cookies for more mouth-watering recipes like this. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer your dessert chocolatey or coffee flavored? Until next time, stay sweet, stay creative and keep enjoying homemade magic with In Cake and Cookies.